Now in this video we will be discussing PPC or PPF, and the full form is Production Possibility Frontier or Production Possibility Curve. Now there are basic assumptions. Now what happens in economics? You cannot work with the reality. The real life situation is very complicated. So a set of assumptions, or you can call assumptions a diversion or a shift from the reality. And why do we take all these assumptions? Because it helps to simplify the study and get a proper solution or get a proper understanding. So assumption means we assume something which is not totally real with the reality and which doesn't match with the reality, but we take few parts, we include few real things and we neglect the complexities to come to a proper solution. So for example, you will understand when I will be doing. So it assumes, so first of all, from the name you can understand how much production is possible in any economy or any country. How much production of the good is possible, we will understand from the curve or from this knowledge. So first we are assuming only two goods are produced, X and Y. Now in the previous video I said that the producer cannot go on producing because of resource limitation. So he has to make a choice what goods to be produced. So he has made a choice that X and Y to be produced. But in real life, suppose out of X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, there are so many goods which the consumer wants. Producer cannot produce all, but definitely the producer doesn't produce two goods. We don't get only two type of goods in the market. We definitely get some more types of goods. But here we assume that the producer is able to select from all the range of products only two products to produce inside the country to satisfy the human wants due to resource limitation. So in reality, definitely all the human wants, whatever we demand, all type of goods may not be produced, but definitely this is also not real that only two goods the producer produces. It at least produces more than two products, and here for simplicity we take that only X and Y are the two goods produced within the country. Number two, only one factor of production. Now what do you mean by factor of production? Input. So only one type of input is used, say labor. So here we are using labor. So inputs. Now how this is an assumption? Let me explain. See, there are different factors of production or inputs required in the production process. You need raw materials, machineries, land, labor, everything in certain proportions. Otherwise production is not possible. But here for simplicity we are assuming that these two goods, they definitely require input. They definitely require someone's help or inputs for coming up with the final production. But here we consider diversion from the reality. We assume that, let us suppose, only labor is used. Now why this is an assumption? Because there are many products. So, for example, see the marker which I am holding now. This marker For this production, few steps are done manually by the laborers, they put their efforts, and few steps like making of this cap, pen, body, lid and the ink, you need the help of machine. There are few steps which cannot be done by only putting human labor. There are steps where machine is particularly required. So there are products highly complex which requires the use of both labor as well as machine. But here we are neglecting that fact and we are taking up only the fact that the goods can be produced only by the work of labor, only by a single factor. Number 3, technology remains unchanged throughout. What do you mean by technology? See, every day in this modern country, things are updated. Every moment, if you see the mobiles, they are updated. New features are coming up. If you see the machines, they are updated. Other old machines becomes obsolete and new machines evolve. Software, the way we work, the style of working in office also changes. So every time technology is going towards advancement. But when we are studying this, we cannot change the technology, because what happens when technology changes? Technology can affect the production, the amount of production. Suppose when you change from an old to a new machinery, suddenly your production can be increased way more, which is not facilitated by the old machine. So if you take that technology is changing, then again you are involving one complicated scenario. So we are here taking the assumption that the technique of production or the technology remains unchanged throughout when we are studying this. Number 4, increasing cost operates. Now what is the meaning of increasing cost? Increasing cost means when we are trying to increase the production. Suppose if you increase the production of 1 unit of X, 1 unit means suppose X, let X be this pen. If you are increasing by 1 more unit of producing this, what happens? What happens? If you increase by 1 more unit, definitely to produce this, the producer has to bear the cost of inputs. So a cost is attached with increase of production. So as production increases, the cost of production also increases. So during our study, increasing cost operates. And number 5, that is the last assumption, production can happen in different proportions. That means we are producing X and Y not equally. Suppose we are producing 2 units of X, 6 units of Y. Then we are producing 4 units of X, 9 units of Y. So we can definitely, we are not producing X and Y in similar proportion. Okay, we can produce them in different quantities. It is not that X and Y are equally produced. It is produced in different quantities. X can be produced according to its demand in the market. Y is produced according to its demand in the market. So when you are using the input labor, you will focus the labor more where production is more, and you will use the label less where production is less. So these are the 5 assumptions that you should understand when you are studying production possibility frontier. So production possibility frontier basically shows how much production is possible inside any country or economy. The important assumptions that we take, assumption means it's a diversion from reality. We don't involve the real life complex situations in our study. There are 5 assumptions which I have discussed. Please go through this, and in the next video we will be showing how to draw or how this production possibility curve is attained.